Lala English News. Today's news is afraid of drone. A man in his 20s, living on the upper floor of a 49-story apartment building, came out to the living room after taking a shower and saw a drone floating outside the window. Without any clothes on, he quickly hid in his room and reported to the police that he suspected illegal filming. The police said they couldn't catch the criminal because it was impossible to track and detect drones and that they couldn't do anything about it. What were drones invented for? I wish all the drones were made illegal. Lala English News. This is Stephanie.